My dear children, in exercise 3.3, we learn to use bar graph with a different purpose and how to draw single bar graph and double bar graph. Exercise 3.3, question number 1. Use the bar graph to answer the following questions. First, which is the most popular pet? And second, how many students have dog as a pet? Here we have scale 1 unit is equal to students. On x-axis pet animals and on y-axis number of students. 8 students have dog. 10 students have cats. 2 students have rabbit. 5 students have goat. And 3 students have other animal as a pet. Answer. It is seen that most students like cats as their pets. So, cat is the most popular pet among the students. Next answer. 8 students have dogs as their pet. Question number 2. Here, scale is 1 unit equal to 100 books. On x-axis shows year and y-axis shows number of books. So, year 1989, 180 books. Year 1990, 470 books. Year 1991, 300 books. Year 1992, 230 books. And year 1993, 600 books. Now questions about how many books were sold in year 1989, 1990 and 1992. Answer. 180 books were sold in year 1989, 400 books in year 1990 and 230 books in year 1992. Next question. In which year were about 475 books sold? About 255 books sold. Answer. In year 1990, about 475 books were sold and 230 books in year 1992. Next question. In which year were fewer than 250 books sold? Answer. In the year 1989, 180 books and 1992, 230 books. Less than 250 were sold. Next, can you explain how you would estimate the number of books sold in year 1989? Answer. Books sold in the year in 1989 is indicated in the bar by the height of 1 unit plus 4 by 5 unit. Now 1 unit is equal 100 books. Therefore, 4 by 5 unit is equal 80 books. So, 100 plus 80 books is equal 180 books were sold in year 1989. Question number 3. Here we will draw the bar graph on a graph paper according to the given data. X-axis represents standard and y-axis represent number of students. Scale is 1 unit is equal 10 students. Class 5th, we have 135 students. We will draw a bar graph like this. Same way we will draw for class 6 120 students, class 7th 95 students, class 8th 100 students, class 9th 90 students and class 10th has 80 students. Now look at the question. Question: how would you choose a scale? Answer: we have choose scale of 1 unit is equal 10 children as it is shown on a graph paper easily and with sufficient clarity. Number of students are shown along y-axis and standards are shown along x-axis. Next question: which class has the maximum number of children and the minimum? Answer: 5th class 135 children has maximum number of children and 10th class 80 children has minimum number of children. Next question: find the ratio of students of class 6 to 8. Solution: ratio of class 6 to class 8 students is equal students of class 6 divided by students of class 8. So 120 students of class 6 and 100 students of class 8, which is 6 by 5. Hence, the ratio of class 6 and class 8 students is 6:5. Question number 4. Here, scale is 1 unit is equal 10 marks. On x-axis, we have taken subject and on y-axis, we have taken marks. Orange bar represent first term marks and yellow bar represent second term marks. In English, first term marks 67, in Hindi 72, in maths 88, in science 81 and social science 73 marks. In second term, 70 marks in English, 65 marks in Hindi, 95 marks in maths, 85 marks in science and 75 marks in social science. Like this, you have to draw double bar graph. Now question: in which subject has the child improved his performance the most? Answer: from the bar graph, we can see that the child has improved in subjects like English, maths, science and social science. Most improvement is seen in maths. Next question: in which subject is the improvement the least? Solution: the difference between the heights of graph is least in social science, so the improvement is social science is the least. Next question: has the performance gone down in any subject? Answer: yes, the performance has gone down in Hindi as shown in the bar graph. Question number 5. You have to draw double bar graph as I have shown you in previous question. From the bar graph, we can tell that cricket is the most liked sports and athletics is the least liked sports. Answer 2. Cricket is the most popular sports of all the sports. Next answer. Watching sports is more preferred than participating. Question number 6. You have to draw double bar graph as shown in previous question. These are maximum and minimum temperature recorded in different cities. Orange bar shows maximum temperature and yellow bar shows minimum temperature. Now question, which city has the largest difference in the minimum and maximum temperature on the given data? Answer, Jammu has the largest difference in the minimum and maximum temperature on the given data. Next question, which is the hottest city and which is the coldest city? Answer, Jammu is the hottest city with 41 degree and Bengaluru is the coldest city with 21 degree. Number 3, name two cities where maximum temperature of one was less than the minimum temperature of the other. Answer, maximum temperature of Bengaluru is less than the minimum temperature of Ahmedabad or Jaipur. Number 4, name the city which has the least difference between its minimum and maximum temperature. Answer, Mumbai has the least difference between its minimum and maximum temperature.